everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up one of the Wevolve subscription boxes. This is the Wisdom Keepers book box. I am so excited. I am a total book nerd and I love all things spiritual and esoteric, which is what this is about. So it is a bi-monthly subscription. I believe it's $29.95 or $29.99, and there is almost always a discount listed on Cratejoy, which is where I get that. This is what I get myself, so I will link them down below. But they also have the esoteric bi-monthly box. So every other month, if you subscribe to both, you get one or the other. And the esoteric one I opened, of course, last month, and that one's like around $50. This one's a little bit more affordable. You get a book and then a few other items as well. So I'm super excited. I will link them down below if you guys are interested in subscribing. And yeah, I think that's everything. Let's get this open. I did use the scissors to get, it's like really well taped, but I did not peek yet. So I'm proud of myself. Let's see what we got. Oops, I hope I did it right. Yeah, okay, good. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. What does it say? I'm trusting my divine intuitive knowing. Ooh, I'm trying to strengthen my intuition more. I feel like I'm pretty much an intuitive person. I read tarot on my other channel, Kitty Rising. Check it out if you haven't already. So I'm guessing that we're gonna have tools for that, a book on this, but let's see. So I love that you can keep there's all the information on the back. You can keep this and use this affirmation, hang it up somewhere so you can repeat it often. Yay. And by the way, you guys, if I seem off, I had like a migraine for like days. I'm finally feeling a little better, but I still feel like a little low energy and like sensitive to light. So my lighting's been off in like every video anyways, but I don't have my like other lights on in my place. So just FYI. Ooh, the theme is called I Am Psychic. Okay, back to my normal excitable self. So I think I was right. I think we're gonna get some tools on this. Let's see. Humanity is awakening, and with this remembrance of our divinity, our knowledge, and our innate sacredness comes the emergence of our tools and skills. One of these skills is our psychic ability. These innate intuitive abilities were commonplace during the time of Atlantis and are re-emerging as we awaken the divinity that we are. Each of us has creator energy in every particle of our being. We are spiritual beings having a spiritual experience in a human form. Let this unfolding be joyful as you uplift this planet simply by being you. Awesome. I might not read the descriptions of everything because reading kind of triggers my headaches. I usually don't have stuff like this. I was wondering, I'm like, is this an ascension symptom maybe? Like, if you guys know much about that and stuff, you know, sometimes you can get headaches and like third eye opening and stuff like that because like, it's weird. The past few days, it happened after I like went on a walk outside. It was less hot than normal, but it was still like 88, feels like 97. Like here in Florida, I'm like, I miss being outside. So I went on a walk. It felt great during it, but after it started. But let's get back to the box. Right here, I think it says a car decal. I wish I had a car. I'm trying to manifest one. Ooh, it looks like Megatron's cube. I love this. And then it has some instructions here. Is there anything? Yeah, this is just instructions, but I would totally put this on my car. I'll put this on my altar trying to manifest it. Metatron, you can help me. Let's see if it says a Metatron cube decal by Wevolve box. This complex sacred geometry structure is derived from the ancient structure of the flower of life. It is named after Archangel Metatron, who is a guide for humanity and instrumental in our planetary collective awakening and ascension. This decal may be applied to windows, water bottles, and other surfaces that experience wear. It is made from permanent waterproof vinyl and can be scraped from solid surfaces and is not suggested for application to walls or floors. Oh, I could put it on a window here too. But I love Metatron. So I'm excited about that, even though I currently do not have a car, but I hope that changes at some point. Oh, wow, we have a decent amount of stuff in here. Oh, look at this. I love it. Blanket. Okay, sorry, it's moving. What is this called? The Hamsa and Evil Eye Necklace. The Hamsa hand is a symbol that is commonly found in the Middle East and North Africa, and it is believed to bring good luck, good fortune, good health, happiness, and protection from the evil eye. As the fingers of the Hamsa face downward, it becomes a welcome sign that invites good things into your life, including good luck, good fortune, good health, and happiness. The presence of the central evil eye provides protection for the wearer. Please connect with your necklace and give it directives particular to your needs. Ooh, I'm totally going to put this on later. I could use some good health, some good fortune, wealth, blessings, protection, all of the above. So, and I love this. I couldn't think of the name. Hamsa. Hamsa? I love how this looks. This is so cute. I love this part too. I love all of it. Yay. Yeah, I'm digging this so far. Okay. I love Palo Santo. And we have Palo Santo incense here. I use Palo Santo to cleanse in between my tarot readings, like all the time. I actually haven't even drawn cards for myself today now that I think of it. Like, this is inspiring me. I wasn't feeling great, like I said, and I saw that I had this box, and I'm like, you know what, it's a little later in the day, but I'm like, I'm gonna open this, and I bet it'll make me feel better, and it is. And now it's reminding me that I haven't done that. And we have something here to put our incense on. This is super cute. Love it. So there's 10 in here. Are these cones or sticks? It looks like they're sticks. Oh, and it gives you benefits on the back. That's nice. Benefits of using Palo Santo. Removes negative energy, disinfects air. Ooh, I never really think about it that way, but I've heard about that in sage. Used for relaxing the mind and body. This is 100% natural. No trees or forests are harmed in gathering this holy wood. Oh, I like how they talk more about that. I won't read all of this. But Palo Santo smells so good. I think there might be sage in there too, or some other herb bundle. But yeah, Palo Santo is my cleansing herb of choice, but I do use several. Is there anything else? So there's Palo Santo mini incense sticks. And then the Sun, Moon, and Stars mini incense boat. This is super cute. And I like the size of this too. I'll probably put this on my tarot table. Because I have some longer ones, and I have something I got in God's Provisions too, which is like one that like stands up. It's like a little moon, but yeah, love it. So cute. And then here's the herb bundle. It looks like they're sage and something else. Ooh, I definitely smell sage. What is? Oh, I'm excited to read what it is. Like, my brain's not fully back, like my quick wit, so I can't think very well right now. Let's see. Oh, it's peppermint. Wow, those two smells like go really well together. Like, I was like, the sage, it's not my favorite smell. I don't like hate it or anything, but together, I like that. Ooh, I feel like this is great. White sage and peppermint smudge. White sage is used in many cultures to create sacred space for ceremony. This, in conjunction with the clarifying properties of peppermint, is perfect for cleansing your space, yourself, and your items from low vibrational energies. Peppermint provides clarity of thought and third eye sight. Yes, I'm totally going to use this later. I could use some clarity of mind and some cleansing. I like to do a cleanse after I've been sick. I don't know about you guys, but when I feel sicky, my thoughts kind of get low vibrational too, and I just always feel like it's really nice to do a cleanse after that. It's a good reminder. But now our last item, the main thing, a book, and it's called You Are Psychic. I'm so excited. I love how it looks too. Who's this by? Okay. You Are Psychic. 7 steps to discover your own psychic abilities. Char Margolis. Margolis? Char Margolis? Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Char is the mentor we all deserve. If you are psychic, she skillfully and passionately helps you evolve those little whispers in the back of your mind into full-blown psychic intuition. Ooh. So this is a retail value of $27.99 US. So this is like the price of the box. Then you get all these other items too. I love that. Books are kind of pricey, and I love that we get other items to like go with the theme too. So it makes me happy. So let's see what it says here. America's most beloved psychic intuitive medium, Char. Is it Char or Shar? Probably Shar because it's like Charlotte or something. But Char. I'm thinking Charlie is my brother and I call him Char sometimes. But anyway, has left clients and audience awestruck and transformed countless lives with her profound psychic abilities. But never before has she revealed step by step the ways readers can begin to develop these abilities themselves. Now Margolis finally shares the secrets to tapping into your own psychic ability. If you are psychic, she will teach you how to connect with the universal energy in order to tap into your own psychic intuitive strengths. In 7 simple yet profound steps, Margolis will help you discover and embrace your intuitive psychic abilities, connect with positive energy, and learn to protect your own energy. You Are Psychic is an invitation to a whole new way of being that will allow you to unleash the magic within. Let's take a look at the table of contents. Looking at it here. So there's an introduction. You are already psychic, the energy thumbprint, letting go, spirits and visitations, miracles, dreams, feelings, and premonitions, follow your gut, love is the bridge, near-death experiences, protection and tuning in, and then testimonials, and then the epilogue and appendix and acknowledgements. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna like this. I like the contents, so awesome. Let's see how many pages. I'm like, I could probably read. I haven't read much in a couple days, so I'm like, oh, I can't wait to start digging in and reading again. 194 pages. And that's her. I don't know if I've followed her before. I follow a few mediums on YouTube now. I go through phases on what I watch, but I wonder if she's on there. Cool. But anyways, I'm excited about this. I like everything in this box. The book and the necklace are probably my favorite, but I like every single item. I mean, like I said, I don't have a car, but I can use this to hopefully speed up my manifestation. But yay, I'm excited about this. What do you guys think? Again, I will link them down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're doing well. Have you guys noticed any ascension symptoms? Let me know. It's probably just like heat migraine or something. I'm just curious because I feel like it's come up, you know. We're all like rising in consciousness, you know. I think so, at least. I feel like this is the perfect video where I can say things like this because the box, the nature of the video, the box we're opening. But anyways, can't wait to hear from you guys. I hope you're well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.